In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily format text in a Microsoft Word document with a few simple steps. This guide will walk you through the process and help you create a document that's nicely organized and visually appealing. By the end of this video, you'll be familiar with inserting and centering text within a table, which is a handy skill to have whether for school, work, or personal projects. Let's start by heading to your Microsoft Word file. If you haven't already opened one, go ahead and open a new document. Once you're in, we're going to focus on inserting a box, which in this case will be a table. Tables are versatile tools in Word. They help you organize information neatly, whether it's text, numbers, or any kind of content. To insert a table, simply navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your Word window. Here you'll find a Table option. Click on it and you'll see a grid allowing you to choose the size of your table. For this example, select the number of columns and rows that suit your needs. Tables can be adjusted later, so don't worry if you're unsure about the exact size right now. Once your table is inserted into the document, it's time to populate it with text. Click into any cell within your table and type anything you want. This is where you have the freedom to add your information or data. You can always adjust the content later as needed, so feel free to start with anything you wish to include. Now, one important aspect of making your table look professional and easy to read is centering the text that you type. To do this, first highlight the text in your table. Once your text is selected, press Ctrl+E on your keyboard. This shortcut will instantly center the text within the cell. Centering not only makes your document look well organized, but it also improves readability, especially when you have multiple columns or rows of data. After centering the text, you can make any additional tweaks you might need, like adjusting the table's column widths or changing the font style and size. These adjustments can enhance the visual impact of your document. And there you have it. You're all done. By following these easy steps, you've successfully formatted your text within a table in Microsoft Word. Remember, mastering these small yet effective tools in Word can significantly improve the way you present your information. Keep experimenting with different table sizes and layouts to find what works best for your specific needs. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow.